you do? Honorable father has respected the teacher and hello many classmates. I am determined and 10 years old. I study English. I had abilities. Cooper has with teachers English in topic 2. Today I come here to show you the verb and the sentence. Let's get started.
Talking. My mom is talking with me.
Sleeping.
I am sleeping at home.
Speaking. I am speaking in English.
Running.
I am running to school.
Playing.
I am playing with my friend.
Writing.
I am writing the really smart game.
Eating.
My mother is eating a snack.
Washing.
I am washing my hands.
Watching.
They are watching a movie.
Drawing.
I am drawing a picture.
Walking.
I am walking with my friend. Reading. I am reading a book. Going. He is going to study for the test.
Okay, good. Thank you.